The global submarine optical fiber cables market size is expected to surface with a staggering value of $20.6 billion in 2023. Increasing demand for high-speed internet and data transmission as well as investments in offshore renewable energy projects. Expansion of telecommunication networks and the need for intercontinental connectivity. Growing internet usage in offshore oil gas and offshore wind power sector is creating demand for fiber optic cable under the ocean. Increased data consumption from mobile users coupled with the use of networking sites. Numerous new submarine cable systems were deployed during this period to establish better connectivity between continents and regions. Optical fiber submarine cables are the lifeline of communication across North America.